I'm Harsh Patel from Chess Wizard. If you're new to this channel and if you want to learn chess, then start now by subscribing the channel and also hit the like button. It motivates me to create more such quality content on my channel. Okay, so today we are going to have look at one of my games which I played recently. So I was with the black pieces against an opponent rated 474 elos. So let's start. My opponent played e4. I responded with e5. Then opponent responded with knight to f3, attacking the pawn on e5. I played bishop to d6 now. Now my main idea behind this was like to play something different. In this case, I should have actually played knight to c6, but then okay. I played bishop d6, then d4 was being played attacking the pawn. I played knight to c6, now defending the pawn on e5, then pawn captured on e5. Now, here I got one idea. Actually, in many cases, it would have been a losing move, but here it was a kind of a good move. So I played an abnormal move, knight to b4. Now, allowing white to capture my bishop. Like, okay, so white captured my bishop on d6 like this. After this, I captured back, queen captured, and here I found a good move, which is queen to a5, threatening all the sorts of discoveries against the white king. So okay, after this queen went back to d1. So after queen to like d1, after this I played knight to c2 now with a check. So with a discovered check, so the white king could not take the knight back. So after this, queen went to e2, king. After this, I captured on a1 like this. After this, bishop to d2, attacking the queen. I played queen to b5 check. After this, king retreated to e1. I was not in a hurry. Like since my queen was being attacked, I captured on b2, and now my queen is safe. After this, knight to g5 was being played by my opponent. Then f6, attacking the knight on g5. Then queen to h5 with a check. Now this was an abnormal move which my opponent played. Basically, he had some ideas to open up my king side in order to attack. So, but I played g6. I was not in any hurry. After this, knight to f3 was being played by my opponent. Now this is a kind of a very big blunder. It actually would have cost white his game, but I did not capture the queen, since after I captured the queen, it was very easy for me to win the game from there. So I did not capture the queen, but instead I played knight to c2 check. Now after this, king e2, and after this queen captures on b1 like this. Even here I would have captured the queen, but I did not do so. Then knight captures on e1, bishop captures on e1, and now simply pawn to b6. Now this idea was to open the diagonal for the light square bishop to move on a6, attacking the king, and after the king moves, I capture the light square bishop. After this, queen to g4. Now I obviously played bishop to a6 with a check, king to f3, and now I capture bishop on f1. Then rook captures on f1, and now simply knight to h6 with the attack on the queen. So queen to f4 now, and I attack the queen by playing pawn to g5. Then queen to c7. This was in a start an abnormal looking move, but basically my opponent's idea was to get his queen to b7 and attack the rook on a1. So threatening like that. So I simply castled on my king side to prevent those threats. After this, pawn to e5 was played by my opponent, attacking attacking the pawn on f6, and after I take the pawn with my rook, again the same threat of capturing the rook on a1. So here I played a very good move, pawn to g4 with a check, and here is where white blundered. White played king to g3, but in this case actually I would prefer king to e3, since it is not good for the king to move in the corner where you can easily get checkmated. So anyways, after this I played a nice move, queen to d3 with a check, and after king retreated to h4, I simply captured on f1. And here in this game, if you notice, without doing much, I managed to come on top. So basically, my idea was not to allow white to basically develop his pieces in order to attack my king. and at the same time simultaneously I pushed my pieces towards the king, uh, and I went all for checkmating. So after this, queen to d7 was captured by my opponent. In this case, obviously he cannot play anything else, but I would generally prefer playing king to g3. But anyways, it captured on d7 now, and now it's completely losing for my opponent because I captured queen to g2. Now now king to h5 was been played by my opponent. Like, it didn't matter if even the king stayed there. I would have simply played queen to h3. Now then it would be a checkmate as well. So now there is no any way after this move. Like, after this move, king to h4, there is uh, sorry after this move, king to h5, there is no sort of defensive resource for white to prevent the checkmate. So anyways, after this I finished off the game by playing queen to h3, and it's a beautiful checkmate. So hope guys that like this video. If so, then please show your support by subscribing the channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get the latest updates. And a short announcement to make: my live streaming will be apparently starting from today, so be tuned for that as well. My Instagram links are in the description, so make sure to subscribe me here and follow me there as well. So thank you, and meet you until next time.